Zachary and Jennifer was written by John Denver and released in 1973 on the album Farewell Andromeda. Hold an F major chord with the ring finger on fret 3 of string 4, middle finger on fret 2 of string 3, and index finger barring across fret 1 on the top 2 strings. Play strings 4, 1, 2, 3. Move the little finger to fret 3 of string 1 and play strings 4, 3, 1, 2. Hold a C major chord with the ring finger on fret 3 of string 5, middle finger on fret 2 of string 4, and index finger on fret 1 of string 2. Play strings 5, 3, 1, 2. Keep holding the middle finger on fret 2 of string 4 and index finger on fret 1 of string 2, and move the little finger to fret 3 of string 1. Play strings 5, 4, 1, 2. Hold a D minor 7 chord with the middle finger on fret 2 of string 3 and index finger barring across fret 1 on the top 2 strings. Play strings 4, 3, 1, 2. Hold the ring finger on fret 3 of string 6 and play strings 6, 4, 3, 2. Hold an A minor chord with the middle finger on fret 2 of string 4, ring finger on fret 2 of string 3, and index finger on fret 1 of string 2. Play strings 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here's a playthrough of the intro. Hold the F major chord and play strings 4, 3, 1, 2. Move the index finger to fret 1 of string 1 and play strings 4, 3, 1, 2. Hold the ring finger on fret 3 of string 5 and middle finger on fret 2 of string 4. Play strings 5, 4, 3, then move the middle finger to fret 2 of string 5 and play string 5. Hold an A minor chord and play strings 5, 4, 3, 2. Bar 7 is the same as bar 3. Hold an A minor chord and play strings 5, 4, 3, 2. String 1 for a quarter note, then strings 3, 4. Hold an F major chord and play strings 4, 3, 2, 1. Move the little finger to fret 3 of string 1 and play strings 4, 3, 1, 2. Bar 10 is the same as bar 6. Hold the D minor 7 chord and play strings 4, 3, 1, 2. play strings 3, 2, 1, 2. Hold a G major chord with the ring finger on fret 3 of string 6 and little finger on fret 3 of string 1. Play string 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here's a playthrough of verse 1. Verse 2 is similar to verse 1 with the following differences. On bar 13, play strings 4, 3, 2, 1 on the F major chord. On bar 16, hold the A minor chord and play strings 5, 4, 3 for a quarter note, then strings 1, 2, 3, 4. In bar 17, hold the index finger on fret 1 of string 1 and play strings 4, 3, 1, 2. Here's a playthrough of verse 2. Verse 3 is similar to verse 1 with the following differences. In bar 21, play strings 4, 3, 2, 1 on the F major chord. Move the little finger to fret 3 of string 1 and play strings 4, 3, 1, 2. Hold an A minor chord and play strings 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold the index finger on fret 1 of string 1 and play strings 4, 3, 1, 2. Move the index finger to fret 1 of string 1 and play strings 4, 3, 1, 2. Here's a playthrough of verse 3. The instrumental starts the same as verse 1, but on the second chord move the little finger to fret 3 of string 1 and play strings 4, 3, 1, 2. Hold a C major chord and play string 5, then I use the nail of my middle finger to strum down on strings 4, 3 and 2. Play string 1, move the middle finger to fret 2 of string 5 and play string 5. Hold the A minor 7 chord and play strings 5, 4, 1, 2. Bar 31 is the same as bar 7. Hold the A minor chord and play strings 5, 4, 3, 2. Play strings 1, 2, 3, 4. Bar 33 is the same as bar 29. Hold a C major chord and play strings 5, 3, 1. Then move the middle finger to fret 2 of string 5 and play string 5. Hold the A minor 7 chord and play strings 5, 4, 1, 2. Hold the D minor 7 chord and play strings 4, 3, 1, 2 twice. Hold the G major chord and play string 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here's a playthrough of the instrumental.